students. Today I'm going to tell you about how to install Snake 4 on Ubuntu 18.04. So let's start the video. First of all, open Oracle VirtualBox Manager. Click on Start. So basically, Snake game. This is a basic but nice implementation of the Snake game. Okay, the objective is to snake around and eat fruit while avoiding the evil headbanger and not crashing into your tail. So in this lecture, I'm going to tell you the installation of Snake 4 and uninstallation of Snake 4. Wait for a minute. The package name of Snake 4 is Snake 4 and version of Snake game is 1.014 minus 1. Okay, there are some steps to download to of Snake 4. So first of all, you have to log in Linux, Ubuntu. You see on your screen there is the Ubuntu operating system. So first of all, click on username, that is Mohit. Type password, then press enter and wait for a minute. So after opening the Ubuntu Linux, you see this is your desktop. Right click on your desktop. You see on the last there is a open terminal. Click on open terminal. You see this is your terminal. First of all, type sudo apt apt. So basically, first of all, I will tell you what is the apt get installed. So advanced, this is an advanced package tool, or apt is a free software user interface that works with the core libraries to handle the installation and removal of software on Ubuntu. So basically Ubuntu and other Linux distributions. So app simplifies the process of managing software on Unix, uh, like a computer system by automating the retrieval. Okay, so configuration and installation of software packages. So if you want to install any software, you just type sudo apt get install and software name and then enter. So apt-get install is followed by one or more packages desired for the installation or upgrading. So each package is a package name. It's not a fully qualified file name, but all packages required by the packages specified for installation will also be retrieved and installed. Okay. So now I'm going to install a Snake 4 game. So first of all, you have to type first apt apt minus cache search snake. See, this is a basically the apt cache command can display much of the information stored in apt internal database. So basically, this is the description of a snake game. Here you can see this is the name of snake game, and this is the package name snake 4. Okay. So this information is a sort of a cache since it is gathered from the different sources listed in the sources. Okay, so the apt cache command can be keyword based package searches with apt cache search keyword. So it can also display the headers of the packages, available versions with apt cache show package. So this command provides the packages descriptions, full description you can say. So it's a dependency is the name of the maintainer, etc. Fine. So basically, the app search, app show, aptitude search, aptitude show work in the same way. Okay. Now type clear. Now I'm going to install a Snake 4 game. Uh, in this, you have to type one command like this: apt install Snake 4. You see, there is some error in could not open log file where libdpkg log. So there are when you type apt install Snake 4, if you don't install file in this, you just type apt minus get install Snake 4. Okay. Now see apt wait apt sudo where it is like this. Wait, sudo apt install Snake 4, then press enter. And now it's asking for your password. Type your password over here. Like my password is, then press enter. Now it's a reading packages list, done building dependency trees, and wait for a minute or 2 minutes. So installing Snake 4 packages on Ubuntu is as easy as running the following command on terminal. Okay, so wait for a minute. Okay, I think my game is installed. So let's check where it is. Now click on show applications, type Snake 4. So you see here it is a Snake 4 game. Just double click on a Snake 4 game. Okay, so see, this is your Snake 4 game. Okay, second, third, fourth. You see, it's running. When you press left or right button from your keyboard, it just look like this. Okay, so it means your Snake 4 game is downloaded. So simple command app sudo app install Snake 4. So this is the process to install your Snake 4 game from internet. Okay, now I'm going to uh, uninstall this game. Okay, see, for that you need to type command like sudo app remove Snake. Okay, just close this game and type sudo remove sudo app remove Snake 4. When you press enter, it is asking for do you want to continue, yes or no. So basically this command is used for to remove the software from your device. So I will press enter, yes, and then press enter. Now it is going to uninstall your game from your operating system. Now it's done. So once you check again from your PC Snake, so there is no such game in your PC. So it means it will be deleted. Okay. So this is the whole process of how to install Snake 4 game and how to install various kind of software through command in your Ubuntu Linux, and how to uninstall your game or uninstall your software through in Linux like this. Okay. So thank you for watching this. Thank you so much.